Today, we're making the ultimate homemade cheeseburger. Shape and season the patties generously.
Sear the patties until deeply browned and juicy.
Add cheese and let it melt beautifully.
Toast the buns and prepare the toppings.
Stack every ingredient for maximum flavor. One bite reveals the perfect cheeseburger. Enjoy the ultimate cheeseburger made right at home.